If you ever wondered why price suddenly stops, reverses, or explodes from certain areas, it's usually because of support and resistance. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to draw key levels that the market actually reacts to. Alright, what is support? Support is an area where price stops falling and starts moving up. This happens because buyers step in and push price higher. This is support right here. Support right here. Price comes in, price falls, buyers thinks price is cheap, buying pressure is higher than selling pressure, that's what's stopping it from going down. Price pushes lower because tries to fake out people who thinks it's going to keep selling, and then boom, price flies up. Support is where demand is strong enough to stop price from dropping. People normally draw lines, boxes, whatever you want here. I draw a double line. What is resistance? Resistance is an area where price stops rising and starts moving down. This happens because sellers step in and push price lower. So price is rising. Well, first of all, resistance. Price is rising. It can't go up no more. We're being stopped. And then we push down. You feel me? This is what happens when price thinks it's too expensive to keep going up. Resistance is where supply is strong enough to stop price from continuing to rise. Why does price respect these levels? These levels matter because many traders see the same areas. So if I see them, you see them, the banks see them, they're all levels to. Orders build up there. When price returns, a reaction happens. So if I see a price, you see a price, the banks obviously see it too. If they like that price, they're going to put their orders there. And with them putting their orders there, whenever we get to that price again, you'll see a strong reaction happen. How to draw support and resistance. We don't draw lines at random candles. We draw them where price clearly reacted before. So if you look at my diagrams, wherever you get multiple touches like these are where you see strong levels. Big bounces or big rejections like these are where you get strong levels. Clear swing highs and swing lows, wherever you see price moving to and immediately moving away from. The more times a price reacts to a level, the more important it becomes. Support can become resistance. Show price breaking support, then coming back and rejecting. Oh shit. I'm fucking stupid. Support can become resistance. When support breaks, it often becomes resistance, and when resistance breaks, it can become support. This is a bigger aha moment once you understand how to track these things. You feel me? Let me show you something brief since we're not going to elaborate on it. Here's a resistance. You feel me? We're going to put this red because it was a resistance. And when we broke through, we used it as a support. That's why this line's green. Right? Same thing here. Here's a resistance. And when we broke through, we used it as support. And then look, same support, broken, used as resistance to continue drop. You feel me? Something quick. Drawing too many lines, forcing levels, ignoring trend directions, and trading every touch blindly are some common mistakes beginners make when it comes to trading support and resistance. You feel me? I like to draw my support and resistance based on taps or immediate rejections from areas because I know price did that. There's no psychological nothing behind that. Levels and zones, not exact lines. Think areas, not perfect prices. You feel me? Support and resistance are the foundation. In the next videos, I'll show you how supply and demand zones are advanced versions of these levels, and then how you can tie in market structure with support and resistance to get the whole entire picture. Support is where price tends to bounce up, resistance is where price tends to fall. Mark these levels where price clearly reacted before, and you'll start seeing the market more clearly. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you're old to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.